Earth living in Hawaii.
Won't be turned. You and I should be the ones to learn. All I want to say ain't no good to look the other way.
Hello from Hanauma Bay.
Hello there, we're at Hanauma Bay, which is a reservation, a very special place where you can snorkel and learn more about the marine preservation, and a very special place where you can see a lot of thousands and infinity amount of endemic fishes and the famous Humuhumunukunukuapua'a and a place where you can actually enjoy your day, respecting the nature with your family. And we highly recommend, there are some tips that you have to follow in order to arrive here safely. We're going to be talking about them later, but it's definitely worth it.
Definitely. So this area looks so calm right now and beautiful, but it wasn't like this on the past. This was a volcano, as you can see. You know, this is the crater, but you know, with time the water came over and created this bay. So the Hawaiian native people used this area to fish, and then the city started to develop. They saw the need to protect this area, so they created this nature preserve area with a lot of restrictions, so the marine life can grow and grow more. So it is really important, you know, to be conscious, not touch coral reefs. That's very dangerous for them. So definitely we got to avoid that.
Yeah.
And most important, the sunscreen. We got the coral reef sunscreen, so you know, very important to get the safe ones. So to sum up, we're very excited to be here on this nature preservative area. It's just amazing to look at this beautiful bay. Look at that. We can wait to swim and snorkel with endemic fish that you can only find here in Hawaii. And yes, I'm just gonna go there, chill, and then keep exploring this magical, beautiful island that we are in. And there is a catch. In order to get here, there is some important information we have to follow to get the tickets, and there is a right way to do it. Keep watching. We're gonna leave the best way to come here. And you know, it's amazing to come with your couple, alone, by yourself. If you're traveling solo, with your family, with the kids, they're definitely gonna love it. And there are no big waves, but of course, there are places with strong currents, so you gotta avoid. They will explain you where those are, and you can see the floating white things on the ocean. So yeah, let's keep exploring Earth living in Hawaii. So we actually forgot the base of the beach umbrella. That reminded me to let you know the important things to bring, which is, of course, sunscreen. The sun is strong here, so you will get burned. So definitely need to, you know, use some clothes, UV protected, and sunscreen all the time. Beach umbrellas, definitely a must. Beach chairs if you can. Most hotels will give you those, and water. Some good amount of water bottles, so you can easily hydrate yourself and stay healthy. Oh, do not forget your snorkeling, because you know, you can't miss all of this fish. Last but also important, a hat, because you know, you gotta wear a hat. So if you forget something in your car, you gotta get a stamp to get out and come back again. In order to access the beach, you can either walk or take the train. I don't mind walking because, you know, just amazing. But we might take the train way back because we have a lot of stuff to carry. So how was Hanauma Bay for you?
Oh, a dream.
Yeah, it
What?
feels like a sanctuary, you know, and also an actual open, biggest aquarium I've ever swummed.
One day I'll be brave enough to go a little bit beyond like Bernardo can, and I will be swimming with Honus.
Yeah, oh, need my seatbelt. Yeah, so I found one Hono, as you guys saw before, you know, that was just a blessing. Like, feel I could talk to the Hono. I, you know, went to get air with the Hono. Oh my gosh, that was just amazing. Yeah, of course, it didn't get too close, you know, because, you know, you can't, and also do never touch a Hono or any animals or corals.
Federal and state laws. And by the way, we have a reels that it's on TikTok, and a lot of people complain about Bernardo getting way too close to the Honus. But if you watch the video like without any edition, you're gonna see that I'm yelling in the background. So I'm here to make sure that he would never touch a Hono.
No, but I definitely talk to the Hono, you know, mentally. You can feel them. Okay, so let's go grab some poke.
Yes.
Yeah, and then maybe chill at Lanikaya or Kailua, because we love that spot. See ya.
Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cool. I swear anything's better than you. Catch you on the flip side, catch you on the flip side. So goodbye.